It is a little freakier, isn't it? Well, this is a movie about, very much like A Fish Called Wanda, about a clash of cultures. We have one of the young girls in the movie who's a young Brit coming to Los Angeles because her dad's working there, hoping to come back very quickly. And he falls in love with Lindsay Lohan. And she has a 15-year-old who loves to surf in Los Angeles. And Lily, the young girl from Britain, is now sort of stuck in Los Angeles, doesn't really want to be there, wants to come back to the UK, thinks she's way more sophisticated than all those LA people, and she's harboring a big secret, which is her mom died. And so all of that posturing is really a front for her loss. So it's a beautiful exploration of that, and it's really funny because I end up getting trapped in her body. There's a surprise every day. Every day there's something new, there's something unexpected. It's the movies. It's supposed to be kind of an exciting exploration. Kind of the same idea, which is walk a mile in my shoes, but it's four-way. So I switch with Lily, Harper, Anna's daughter, switches with her mom. And so you get a mom-daughter, you get a grandma and a stepdaughter, and it hits all the same notes: humor, heart, love, understanding, family, and it has a nostalgia to it because, of course, there's a lot of original OG Freaky Friday people in it.